For my project, I chose to demonstrate Manovich's principle of automation by playing the game Factorio. The premise of the game is that you crash land onto a foreign planet, and you have to mine and craft items to build and launch a satellite into the planet's atmosphere. The game starts out very hands-on, using a pickaxe to mine coal and iron to make your first automatic coal miner. Once the automatic coal miner is made, it produces coal. However, it also needs coal to operate, so I use a conveyor belt to transport the coal that's being mined to a robotic arm that uses the coal to operate and also feeds the coal miner. I continue on by extending out a conveyor belt from the iron ore mine I recently created, and then place down a furnace to smelt the iron ore into iron plates. I add robotic arms to automatically move iron ore and coal into the right places. Currently, I'm adding more robotic arms to feed other robotic arms coal, which isn't very efficient. Hooking up electricity from my steam generators and sending it over power lines will be much more efficient than having the robotic arms burn coal. Here, I am redoing my iron smelting area to make it larger and more efficient. With electrical power, I can use robotic arms instead of coal-powered arms, making it more efficient. I use this mining and smelting setup also for my copper ore and copper plates, which is off the screen currently. Iron plates are used a lot in this game to make a whole host of items, so you're going to want to pre-plan and make a lot of iron plates for future use. Finally, now that we have all our raw materials done and processed, we can start making gears and other materials that make other items. I'm looking back at these hours of gameplay I have, and it looks very repetitive and pretty nerdy, but it is a fun game if you get into it. Next up we have copper wire, which I'm going to be transporting to my electric circuit factories, which require iron plates. Next up I made a research factory, which allows me to research more advanced ways of doing automation and gets me closer to the technology I need to make rockets and eventually beat the game by getting off of this planet. I finished the game up here. I'm sad to say I'm probably several hours, if not longer, away from beating the game, but here it is.